Car Guru back with another one. So I started the shop today. I know it's been a long time, a very long time since I posted a video. Just been doing a whole lot of work and a lot of other things to, get the business going or whatever. So I haven't been posting nothing. The queue, see, I got a secret for y'all with the queue. Queue's still coming. It's on the way. I just want to wait a little longer to get some stuff done. But y'all will get something on that a next video. So anyway, today we got something special going on for y'all. We about to reveal to y'all this car that got revealed to my nephew for his birthday. Check y'all in a second. Cargo, we back. So I got little nothing but J's. If y'all haven't already, go subscribe to his page. The link will be down in the description below. So go ahead, click that bell on his page, click the notification bell, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Tell him his Uncle Cargo sent y'all over. Support us. Anyway, check Little Nothing But J's out.
What's the deal, y'all? It's Little Nothing But J's.
So your birthday just passed.
Yes,
how old did you turn?
16.
Oh, this young man is 16 years old playing football and all that good stuff. Y'all seen it on this page. Y'all know what's up. He ride bikes already, dirt bikes.
Go subscribe to that Little Number J's.
So you got something for your birthday. I heard you got a motorcycle.
I did. I got a 1998 electric glide. Be trying to get that running up right now. So y'all go to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That video is up there. So just tune in. Keep everybody posted. So
your dad got you something for your birthday.
He did.
What was that? What did take us? What you know?
Let me take y'all on a trip real quick. So we have here 1998 Z28 Camaro. We got it's an LS1 stock LS1, right? Yeah. Stock LS1. So we got that in here. We popped the hood one time. Oh Jesus! First time, guys. Got it. Yeah. So LS1. As y'all can see.
Stock. You got any mods for it already?
We do. I do. We got a got that K&N air intake, that cold air intake. There's more in the box. I don't want to.
Yeah, they know what that is. They'll get the video when you install it.
Yeah, I don't want to show too much, but yeah, let me get you a brief startup. Yeah, it's the other way. There we go.
You can pat the gas a little bit. So you said it was, what year was this again?
1998. It's a little sneak peek for you.
All right. See this young man out here styling already, 16, riding bikes. Got a Camaro. What size rims is these? Boosted SRT back there talking.
What's that up,
So yeah.
We sit on 22s right now, but.
Oh yeah. So I see you got some custom seats already.
Yeah, the four. Got the four. You know.
Oh, what's the 4 stand for?
4 for the no, I'm playing. Nah, 4 is from my jersey numbers. It runs in the family. Y'all can see on the chain 4. Nah, but it's a family number, so just keeping the family thing alive. So I just put it in the car.
So y'all see that YouTube? Young 16-year-old out here with a Camaro bike, dirt bike.
Hold on. And that's mine.
And he said that's his over there.
That's mine.
So yeah, him and Booster gotta catch one day. So yeah, that's what we coming at y'all with. This is a Lil Nothing But J's car at Active Performance. I will be putting a link to the shop's Instagram. So if y'all can go ahead and follow the shop Instagram. I'm gonna put that in the little thing right here. It should be below Active Performance Shop. Go ahead and the link will be in the description. Go ahead over there, follow us. We're gonna have some dope stuff coming our way. We got an upgrade coming for him. I ordered him some headers. It's gonna be a little trip to go get it because you know California's dicks about that. So we're gonna make a little trip to go get that. And I think that's it for us today. Lil Nothing But J's, you got something to say?
Nope. Stay tuned. That's all I gotta say.
Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe to both our pages, Car Guru and Lil Nothing But J's, and we'll check y'all out next time.
Bye.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.